is my Savior. I take him at his word and believe. Christ died to save me, this I read. And then
it's January, I forget the date, I think it's the 23rd, 2016. First blizzard. Here's the kids. We're only going to be out here for about 10 minutes. It's still snowing. So they're trying to sled down the hill.
Mom, I'm having trouble.
I see. That's Isaac and Daddy. Alexander, that's Zoe. Christopher, Layla. I think I said Alexander. Alrighty, I'm going to help them out. Be back. Okay, Zoe. Alexander made a huge snowball. So I was unsuccessful climbing up the hill with Zoe. We fell down about 3 times, so that's out for me. Hey, don't throw it in his face. Isaac, do not throw it in his face.
You too, Alexander. Don't hit it on people's hands, okay?
Okay, I'll just hit it at their backs.
So they got big snow. You're not in the face because you can hurt them and make the snow go all in their clothes. Guys, we're not going to be out here long. Okay, Zoe. Come on. All right. Stomp your feet, Zoe. Stop, stop, stop. Stop, stop, stop. Woo! Nice one. Woo! That was a good one. Good one, guys. Hey, Chris. Chris made it to the top of the hill. So, yeah, this is their first time with this. Me letting them play anyway, with this much snow. And Zoe is off. Come on. All right, I'll be back again. And hello, I'm all trying to be bundled up. So yeah, it's pretty cold out here. Alrighty, so I guess we'll be back. I don't know how much snow we're supposed to get. I have been watching the news. My news is whoever tells me, oh, we're getting this many inches. So, alright. I can't wait to have our hot chocolate. Sorry, I'm Zoe. She keeps falling all over the place. So, I'll be back soon. Alright. Bye.